don't hit anybody, huh? Don't hit anybody. There's
No
somebody
one
down the hall
no
here. I see bodies.
Go, boys!
She's
What's
like,
their names? What's their names?
Adam and Kyle.
Adam and Kyle. So who?
Adam and Kyle.
So how do you know which one is which?
Good question.
They're twins. They're twins. I can check out.
Oh, you want to go in a circle?
But I don't know
Oh,
how.
I'm
No,
gonna-
down this way.
Oh, it's right there.
The big Libya?
Yeah. Ano? Paano na tayo?
Sure, boys. They're twins?
Yes.
Oh my God. Come over here.
Pretty scary if you ask me.
Terrible too?
Not really.
Okay.
Three. That's it.
Oh, my son, he just turned 2. Oh my God. I'm terrible too.
One time?
Oh, bigyan ka na lang ako kayo.
Yeah, I gave already.
You did? The 6 year old on top?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I haven't seen Dylan as much.
Well, he's what?
He's running around 8.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's good, but he just wants to run around.
Where's my boys?
Push.
Their power.
On the chair. On the chair.
I can guide him with my feet, I think. Okay, you want to read a book? Wait, stop. No, you can't go fast on a curve.
Yeah, I know, going fast. Okay, go.
No running.
Stop, stop.
And off they go.
Okay,